Hello and welcome to this month's Sew and Share project. This month we have this incredible wedding tag or ornament which is absolutely perfect for the upcoming wedding season. Now here's what you'll need for this month's project. Just a friendly reminder, there is a downloadable PDF that is included with the project with written instructions as well as a written list of what you'll need. Step 1, we are going to begin by simply hooping our wet and gone stabilizer. For step 2, we are going to load our lighter color bobbin onto the machine as well as our hoop. For step 3, we are simply going to run our placement stitch. Now for step 4, we are going to take our fabric and fold it in half, making sure that the shiny side is facing upwards on both sides, and simply tuck it in on top of the machine. For step 5, we are simply going to run a tack down stitch on top of the fabric. Now for step 6, we're going to remove the hoop from the machine and begin to cut away the excess fabric. Now be careful you don't cut your stabilizer. Now for step 7, we're going to take our piece of ribbon, simply fold it in half, and then tape it in place. For step 8, we're going to put it back onto the machine and run the tack down stitch. Now for step 9, we're going to cut away the excess ribbon and clean up the ribbon tails on the back of the design. For step 10, we are simply going to place our hoop back onto the machine and run the bride and groom portion of the lace. Step 11, we're going to switch to our darker colored bobbin thread and also place our foam on top of the design and run a tack down and satin stitch. For step 12, we are going to remove the hoop from the machine and simply remove the foam. And now finally, for the last step, we are going to remove the stabilizer from the hoop and proceed to cut away the excess stabilizer. After that, we are going to grab a bowl of warm water and proceed to get rid of all the wet and gone stabilizer by simply dipping your fingers into the water and rubbing off the stabilizer. Next, you're simply going to pat dry on a towel.
Hi, John Deere here, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like down below. To join the legacy now, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell to be notified every time we release a new video. It's no mystery, award-winning embroidery is our history.